don't look bad. I mean, it ain't a 396, but it still don't look bad.
That don't make no difference. No, what it is.
No. I don't know. I might find something a little better. You got an oil pan too, didn't you?
Yeah,
Okay. So that's I can paint that one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Well, I was gonna put a coat of primer on it, and I just ain't done it.
Okay.
On it and the block and the heads.
Yeah.
Put a coat of primer. We always put a gray primer on.
Yeah. There's old Big Bertha. Look at that. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what color to paint it. Oh, this is nice.